Aloha guys, what's up? Isaiah here. It is Wednesday. You're at Blackout. You know what goes on. Let's go check out what we got going. Alright guys, starting up we have a 2020 Subaru Legacy. Here for some paint protection film. We're going to protect the bumper, keep them good. I know I mentioned this before, but if you have a ceramic coating, you need to see us once a year during the lifetime of that to do an annual checkup. What that's going to do is we'll wash the vehicle, clay bar everything, do an iron decontamination bath, as well as a little top coat reapplication there to help maintain that warranty. And that's what this 2019 TLX is here for. And pretty much finished up, ready to go home. Jeep Wrangler 2-door. On these, the doors don't come tinted, so what the customer wanted to do, they had us tint it. We matching the rear section that came factory tinted, so now everything is nice, consistent, and uniform for them. You know, sometimes I get a phone call, Isaiah, hey, I have an older vehicle. Is it too late to get a ceramic coating? The answer is no. We have here a 2018 Subaru Forester. He actually did paint protection film and some tint with us a couple years back, and he called in asking if we could do a ceramic coating for him. We're going to take care of that. If you take a look here at the paint, there's a lot of metallic flake in there that's going to clean up exceedingly nice with a one-pass polish, and then we're going to use the XPEL Fusion Plus coating on there. So 4-year warranty coating that's going to make it easier for him to clean, keep clean, have that freshly waxed look without lifting a finger, and just overall make his life easier. Got a Chevy Silverado here behind me. We actually had it in a couple months ago, did some ceramic coating work, and it got into a little fender bender, unfortunately. So the parts that did get replaced, we simply recoated. It's complete, ready for the customer to pick up. Cadillac CT5. Here for some paint protection film on the full front clip, so full hood, full front fenders, front bumper, side view mirrors, and additionally, they're also going to get the door cups protected. So these areas right here, as you can see, whenever your hand reaches in, a lot of times it'll scratch and scuff that area there. Once we're done, it's going to be fully protected, and then we also are going to be tinting this as well. 2019 C7 Corvette, beautiful black color, came in for paint protection film as well. We're going to be protecting the front bumper here for him so that that common area stays safe from rock chips, scratches, other preventable damage. Fusion coating is the name of the game. Got this beautiful Charger Hellcat here in for some tint as well as fusion coating too. Subaru Crosstrek, what's it here for? Full tint installation. Gonna go use our XPEL XR line. It's gonna block out heat, keep them a lot more cooler, comfortable, also provide that privacy that you look for with tint. And Kevin's in the middle of the install here. By the time it's done, we'll give the customer a call and they can pick up. What's up, T? What we doing?
Front XR on a Chevy Equinox.
Awesome. So if you didn't hear, we're tinting this. The rear section came factory tinted. We're tinting the fronts with our XR line, which tends to be the truest black film, which will give you the closest match and uniform look that you're going for. Red Mist C8, beautiful car. We love how the flake just stands out whenever it gets a ceramic coating. This one is here in for a Ceramic Pro Gold package, lifetime warranty coating. F250 Super Duty, here for an annual checkup. We're just cleaning it up, making sure that the coating is doing what it's supposed to be doing, as well as applying a little booster coating for it as well to help maintain its warranty. Starting to feel like summer again, always having multiple C8s at the shop at the same time. Here we have a Torch Red C8. It actually did a full paint protection film wrap, and it's getting its fusion coating on right now. 2022 2SS Camaro, beautiful car, doing some paint protection film on it as well as ceramic coating once Aaron is complete. 22 Honda Ridgeline. It's here for a couple of things that we do. We tinted the front driver and passenger windows to match the rear section. It got PPF on the hood, bumper, side view mirrors, and then once everything's complete, we'll finish up with a fusion coating as well. All right, guys, that's it for here in Latrobe. Luke, what do you got going on?
What's up, guys? It is Wednesday, so it's time to check out what's going on here at the Gibsonia shop. Outside, we have a new Dodge Charger. This got a wheels-off ceramic coating package. So we took off all 4 wheels, clean and coated the entire face, the barrel, back of the spokes, and the brake calipers. Next up for the works is this brand new GMC Sierra. This is getting a full front paint protection film package along with a paint correction and XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating on top of every single panel on the outside of the vehicle, and it's getting the XR Plus net 5% window tint on all the side windows and the back window. Over here we have Mark working on a beautiful 1967 Chevelle. This got a full paint correction on all the body panels along with the chrome, and Mark is currently coating the wheels as we can see right now. And the next step in the process is to coat everything in the XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coatings. In the tint bay, we have Brandon doing the front two doors of this Chevy Silverado. This is getting the XR Prime 20% to match the two front doors to the back section. Up on the lift, we have a brand new C8. This only has 2 miles on it. This is from our good friend Joe. This is the second C8 Joe's brought us in the past couple months, and this is getting a ton of work. It's getting the paint protection film on the entire front end, the hood, the fenders, the mirrors, and the front bumper, the entire doors, and the rocker panels. It's also getting a full paint correction on the rest of the body panels and a Fusion Plus ceramic coating, along with the side windows and the inner back cabin window and our XR Prime 35%. Next up for paint protection film is this M240i. This currently has some PPF on the front bumper, but after some damage, the customer elected to have that film taken off and have a new piece installed. That's all for what's going on here in Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
What's going on, everybody? We are back again for another What's in the Shop Wednesday here at the Miami location. Let's see what we have going on inside this week. All right, so first up, we have Josh tinting a Fiat 500 Abarth. This is getting the XR 5% the whole way around, as well as 55 on the windshield. This is an awesome looking little car. Brand new 2022 Tesla Model Y. This one got a XPEL paint protection film on the full front clip. So it got the full fenders, full hood, full front bumper, and the mirrors done as well. We're just waiting to put it back together and do some touch-ups and put the badges back on it. And then it also got the XPEL XR Plus tint. So the customer decided to go with 35% on the front windows and then a 70% over the factory tint on the back, as well as 70 on the rear window. And we're also doing the sunroof in 70% as well. Pretty good looking car. This one has the white interior. I really, really like this spec of this one. Then over here, we have a 2009 Porsche 911 Carrera. This one was actually in for a couple of things. This car is a beautiful car. It's daily driven, has like 76,000 miles on it, I believe. Customer just got the front bumper repainted again. So we went ahead and did paint protection film on the front bumper of this, as well as replaced the door edge guards. And he wanted a little custom piece down here on the back for the rockers. So we did that as well. And then the customer also decided to get a full paint correction over the entire vehicle, as well as a ceramic sealant applied. This car looks absolutely incredible now. So that's all that we have going on here at the Miami location. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our videos. And stay tuned to see what we have going on next week. Thanks for watching.